Managing equipment needs across multiple geographic areas isn't just a logistical task, it's a high-stakes balancing act. Your deadlines aren't flexible, and your customers expect excellence, no matter the location or the circumstance. You need an equipment supplier who scales with you. The ReadyArc National Accounts Program is designed specifically to provide peace of mind to companies operating across North America, offering a national platform that keeps your business in mind. We simplify your operations through 3 core commitments: access to over 50 service centers, 100% consistent contract pricing to keep your bidding stable, and a single dedicated point of contact to navigate your entire account. But we don't just coordinate equipment, we build relationships. Our national accounts team dives deep into your unique business challenges, whether that's optimizing your spend through flexible equipment, rental, lease, or purchase, or tapping into our network of over 90 welding and automation specialists. From the industry's largest fleet of quality welding and automation equipment to specialty solutions like heat treating, dry ice blasting, and power generation, you get access to an unmatched portfolio of equipment combined with the expertise of ReadyArc specialists at your fingertips. Experience the ReadyArc advantage: contract pricing you can plan on, a national reach that supports your growth, and the specialized expertise required to deliver value across your entire business geography. Plus, as an Airgas subsidiary, we can help you consolidate procurement for gases, wire and consumables, and welding equipment. A total suite of solutions encompassed under a single contract. Ready to scale your national operations with confidence? Contact your national accounts manager today. We're ready to support your next project anywhere in North America.